everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my loves. Today is going to be a bit of a different video. I am going to show you my bedroom renovation. It took us quite some time to do it, really. Like, my makeup room was in a complete mess. Everything was out of the bedroom and out of the closets and in here, and it was just like total mayhem. So we put down new flooring and did the wall, and I did some decorating. Just to let you know that in the video clip I do mention that all of the items that I purchased are from either Winners or Mashalls, because I love going into Winners and Mashalls and finding amazing decor for your house, and it's really inexpensive as well. And I kind of wanted to do like almost like a cabin kind of feel, like nature, relax. It's just so beautiful. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let's jump right into it. Okay, you guys, so right now everything is like just bare bones. So we did lay down new flooring in here in our bedroom, and it continues on in here into our walk-in closet. Excuses, this has to be reorganized. But anyways, today we are going to be talking about what we are going to be doing to the bedroom. So as you can see, the main wall is gray, and then the accent wall is gray, and then all the rest of the walls here are white. This is our bathroom here. But anyhow, what we are going to do today is we are going to put up wooden planks here on the wall, and of course I'm going to get all new bedding, everything else for the room. This dresser right here I redid. It was like really old and dungy. I actually bought it from a secondhand shop, and it was just really in bad shape. So I did paint it white, and then I did the handles black. So that's what we're going to do today. We also got two new lights that we're going to be putting up that we got from Ikea. So I'll have it all linked down below. We also have them in our living room because we redid our living room. We painted it and we put up the lighting. So I can't wait to show you guys like the process and when it's done and all the decorating and that. And of course my nightstands here, which are gray with the glass, I purchased them a long time ago from Winners. Got them on sale for $99 each, which was a steal. So like I said, the flooring is all new. So today we are going to be doing the wall and then some decorating.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor.
So you guys, here's the wall. It's all done and I'm absolutely in love with it. And here are the lights from Ikea, which I'm just so in love with. It's a matte black, and then we have like this gold accent, then we have some silver, and then we have this cord that's black and white, and I just love the design of it. And of course it just turns on like that, and it's just a beautiful light. So I have them on each side of the bed. I will list them down below. Like I said, they are from Ikea, but I am just 100% completely in love with this wall, and I love like the white against with the wood. So I did go out and I did some shopping, of course new bed sheets, but anyhow, I wanted to mix some like kind of, I don't know, wood, different tones of wood, and just different materials, because I like to mix everything together. So I absolutely love foxes. Like, they are one of my favorite animals. So I did purchase this at Marshalls, and I got it for $13. I just think it's absolutely beautiful because you have this different tone wood here. Then I got this cute little plant. This here is from Winners. This was $16.99. Once again, you know, you have the wood, and I just think it's going to go great up against the wall there. And of course the blue, and I just love the greenery. This here, which I think is absolutely adorable. I love like the greenery, and I just love leaves, and of course the wood, different tone of wood. This is my paradise. Ironically, I do live in a place called Paradise. So I thought this was really cute. I actually got this at Dollarama for $4. So I thought that was so super pretty. And I don't know if you guys could see in here, but they got it like tied up with the rope, which is a really beautiful accent. Now this here, I did purchase from Michael's, and I got it on sale for $10. And this was a regular $50. And I got it on sale for 10. I just love this. I think it's absolutely beautiful. This here is my new duvet cover, and it's a queen size duvet cover. Now I did pick this up from Marshalls, and of course it comes with the duvet cover and then the 2 pillow shams. This was a bit on the pricey side, $79, but it is gorgeous, and I just love the tassels. It actually reminds me, growing up, my parents had horses and that, and it reminds me of the blankets that my dad would put on the horses with the tassels, and I just love that detail. So it's a beautiful gray and a cream color. I really didn't want to get white because white just gets dirty so quickly, and we have a cat, so that wouldn't be so good, and 2 kids. So I thought the cream would be really, really beautiful. Then I got this here, and I purchased this from Winners. It's just a little decorative piece to hang on the wall. This here was $19.99, and I just love the design of it. And the last piece that I got over here is this beautiful picture. Now this here was $16.99, and I did get it from Winners. It says Wanderlust. If you guys are wondering what that means, it means a desire to travel, which we always have a desire to travel to different places. So I really love this picture. So I'm going to be decorating it. I think I might, I'm not going to put anything up here on the wall. It's just on these accent walls. I'm definitely going to get rid of these curtains here because they're black. So I'm definitely going to get rid of those, get some new ones, but I'm going to decorate the accent walls. I do apologize for the change of lighting. And I'm going to decorate this wall over here. And yeah, so I might pick up some more pieces today. I really like to find stuff that's on sale because I'm all about finding a good sale. But of course, like I said, the duvet cover was just really expensive, and that's all I could do because they are super expensive. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this room transformation so far.
No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad. Y más allá. Oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá a través de la gran oscuridad y más miles, crecemos en número, en solo un trueno de horizontes. más y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá.
So you guys, that's it for my room makeover. I had so much fun decorating it. It's something different. I feel like each of my rooms, my house, have a different theme. Like in here, it's so like, you know, I got the neon lights going. I love to have more neon in here because neon's like my favorite. Like from pink to blue to purple to green, anything neon. And in here is just so fun and, you know, very kind of cool, I guess you would say. And in my bedroom, it's just so relaxing. And every night when I go to bed and I could smell the pine on my wall, it's so calming. It's just like, it really makes me have a better sleep, all in all. And I just absolutely love it. And my living room is kind of like that too, very relaxed, and it has like that wooden wall. That's where my inspiration for my bedroom came, was from my accent wall in my living room, except we stained that a dark stain, and in the bedroom I just wanted to keep it really nice and natural and just really super bright, because you know our room isn't that big, so I didn't want to add anything too dark in there. So let me know in the comments down below, you know, have you done any home renovations lately? If you have, what was your favorite room to do? And all that good stuff. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.